Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2008. Investment returns in Czech pension funds were 2.5 to 3% on average in 2007, the lowest in history, Global Money Management Letter reports, citing Hospodarske Noviny Daily. Returns dipped below 3% for the first time since pension funds were created in 1995. Between 1997 and 2006, the average return on investment in pension funds was 6.2%. The newspaper estimated that returns could drop even more if the global markets do not pick up. Already, some funds were flat in the first quarter of 2008. According to local law, pension funds cannot post a loss. If funds lose money in a year, their parent banks must cover their losses. Staying with asset management news, PIMCO recently launched its Fundamental Advantage Strategy Fund, according to Money Management Letter. The fund combines alpha from the research affiliate's fundamental index with a PIMCO bond portfolio, either PIMCO's flagship total return strategy or a portfolio of high-yield municipal bonds for taxable investors. The strategy will go long the enhanced RAFI using a swap and will short the S&P 500, thus isolating RAFI's outperformance over the S&P. Executive VP of Product Management Sabrina Callan said, quote, "This should generate annual returns of about 2 to 3% with no correlation to equity markets." And in other asset management news, BlueCrest Capital Management is preparing to raise 2 new funds to take advantage of the opportunities it sees in EM. BlueCrest already has $2 billion in emerging markets. Portfolio manager at BlueCrest, Robert Ansero, tells Latin finance is a combination of market technicals driven by balance sheet repair in the global financial system, as well as solid fundamentals in EM. And in asset management news in Asia, Newstar has named Bhupinder Sethi the manager of its new Indian equity fund, a fund manager at Tata Asset Management said. As reported in Fund Strategy last week, Newstar was rumored to be launching an India fund in partnership with Mumbai-based Tata. Now it has confirmed that the fund is expected to be launched in the second half of this year. Newstar says this will mark the next step in the expansion of its emerging market product range. It follows the launch of Newstar Heart of Africa Fund, which was unveiled last November. Sethi will run the new India fund from Mumbai as part of a team of 17. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.